Assalamu alaikum. This is a level 4 time on software development project. This is the digital library management system, and I walk about all the work that would have been done in analog system previously. So of course I probably so there are three roles in our system. The first one is the admin one, the provost and the student end. So I'm logging in as the admin. So the task of the admin is to submit the student list and submit room list. So at first I go here and submit the C file for the students. So uploading the students upon it is successful uploading I have been notified that the upload was successful. Otherwise it will because there may be any duplication in the data or any missing field. So there you can see the progress. Now I go to the submit room list. So I simply upload the room information file. So this follows the same mechanism as the student submission. So I'm done with my admin end, so I have nothing to do here. So I simply go to the progress bin, log in as the progress, so I can see all the student information here. And if I assign the students with some seat and rooms, then I will see that information here as well. So I'm logging in as a student on the incognito tab. The first feature that I will be showing is the apply for seat. The student to fill up some necessary fields to apply for the house. If anyone has any local organized, uh, you, he or she would pick this option and give the relevant address. Otherwise, you would select no and I'll apply for the seat. So my seat application is successful. So from the forward step, I can see in the seat application that I'm seeing that the application has been registered. So if I accept it, I'll be notified that one. And if I reject the application, I will be notified this as well, and I can reapply. So I'm just simply accepting the application. And I want to put the same on another side. Simply apply for the seat. Here in the promote now, I can see that student's application has been registered, and I am accepting him as well. Okay. So in the set room section, I can assign room for the student. So here I can see all the room information. So in order to assign room, I have two mechanisms. So there can be individual assignment of room. So what I do is simply pick a student and select a room from him and assign the room simply. So I'm not doing this right now. I'll be showing the special feature, the assign room, the bulk assigning. So what I'm doing here is I have a complex algorithm in the background, and this is a probabilistic system. The probability uh, determines that uh, the student will have his batchmate as his roommate while assigning the room. So I'm just setting the probability to 2.5. So two students from the same batch will be in the same room with the probability of 0.5. So I'm simply assigning the room. So all the students are currently allocated in the system will be assigned with rooms. Because there are two students, so room 94 is we assigned to one room 120 and room 102, so room 109. So I'm going to this end, seeing the my information that my resident status is not that the resident, and my room has been assigned to room 120. So I will show a relevant picture. Suppose I'm not liking my current setup and I don't. like this room, or maybe some of my friends are living in the room 107, so I think the room as well as the room 107. One, oh, there. Submitting the room list in the provost and room change. You can see that the student has uh, asked for a room change, so I'm simply approving his request. So in the student end, in my information, you can see that previously the room was 120, now he's been assigned to room 120. So okay, that's fine. Now I'll be showing the payment system. So set hall fees. So there are two types of students. That's non-resident students are at room, and the resident students are those who are living in the hall currently. So I'm just simply setting their hall fees and setting the dining fees as well. Suppose from today's step to the 30 to the from today. So I can see that the existing dining fees here. So if I again want to create a new dining fee and I overlap with one of these dates, so that will be shown here. So for the student end in the my dues portion, I can see all my dues. So my hall fees dues is 12,000 and then it is 2400. So I can pay all my dues at once. I can select only hall fee. I can select only dining fee. So in the payment gateway, we have used the dummy website of SSL Commerce. So I'm proceeding to pay. I'll be redirected to the website of SSL Commerce. So here I am. So I'll be simply selecting mobile banking, the cash, any dummy OTP, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So success. Basically, I'll be showing an error. I'm just sending it anywhere. Yeah, sent it. If I go back to my website and here you can see that my dues are zero as I have paid all of them. I'll be showing the history with the transaction ID as well. So now I'll be showing in the call for mass manager. So mass manager are the guys who simply manages the tiling of a hall for a certain month. So the mass manager thing is bounded with the tiling fee. So I'm just selecting existing dining fee and application ended should be that day, one day before the commencement of the dining month. The maximum that can be from 2 to 5 and creating a call. So mass manager call has been created uh, successfully. So in this portion I can simply apply for the mass manager. So there is a character limit, submit the application. So simply the mass manager portion is done. So the mass manager application will be accepted in the provost and the students who are mass manager will have the special privilege to set set the meal of today. So here we will be showing the meal. I'm just skipping this part. In the complaints, but there are two types of complaints. So lost and found and raggings. The lost and found are public to uh, open to everyone else in the system, and the ragging are anonymous. This is a one-to-one system from the student to authority. So there are my reports. Currently, we have no reports, so I'm just giving you lost and found. What I have lost, calculator, description, yes, 91. Location, I don't know. Images, I have to upload mandatory images. So and picture suppose. So my complaint has been resolved successfully again. So again, um, so I can see all my complaints here. Uh, I will, some parts were skipped. Simply, I can see the complaint in this dashboard. So I'm simply going to the provost and so in the provost and manage complaints. So I can see the ranking complaints is only shown to me. This is a critical one, and the lost and found thing will be shown to everyone. So from another student's view, let me see all complaints. So you can see the lost and found from this student's head, but not the dragging one. So the dragging one is anonymous, has been ensured. So I can change the status in progress and status to closed. So the status can be changed anytime, anywhere. So yes, this was all about Dormy. Thank you.